Good morning to all. Today we will discuss maintenance of distribution transformer. What is distribution transformer? It distributes the power to the residential consumers after stepping down the voltage from 11 kV to 415 volts. They are basically located near the residential areas and their rating is as under 10 kVA, 25 kVA, 50 kVA, 63 kVA, 100 kVA and 200 kVA. The maintenance of distribution transformers is very important for their proper functioning. Some maintenance schedules are on daily basis while others are on half yearly or on yearly basis. For example, the level of the transformer oil in conservator tank should be checked on daily basis. It should be under prescribed value. For example, it should be under 40%. The connecting pipe connects the main tank to the conservator tank. Here we can see that the breather is connected to the conservator tank and the breather contains the silica gel. The oil in the main tank expands and contracts due to the temperature rise in the main tank. When the oil in the main tank contracts, the outside air inrushed into the main tank. Then it will go through the breather and the silica gel in the breather absorbs the moisture from the outside air, which ensures the proper functioning of the transformer. Then the next schedule on daily basis, maintenance schedule on daily basis, is the inspection of the color of the silica gel. If the color of the silica gel is blue, it indicates the healthy condition of the silica gel. If the color is pink, then it should be reconditioned or replaced. Means silica gel should be reconditioned or replaced. The holes of the breather should be checked. There should not be any blockage for its proper breathing functioning. Here we can see the blue color of the silica gel indicates its healthy condition and the pink color indicates its unhealthy condition. Next is the inspection of the leakage from the main tank, radiators and conservator tank. If the leakage is found, then it should be rectified on priority basis. The sample of the transformer oil is collected on half yearly or on yearly basis. The sample of the oil is collected to check its breakdown voltage. Breakdown voltage is basically a dielectric strength test of the transformer oil. It should be conducted on half yearly or on yearly basis. Here we should note that the sample of the transformer oil which is collected from the main tank, it should not be collected under damp conditions. It should be collected in dry weather conditions and the value should be 30 kV per mm. If the value is less than this value, then it means it requires filtration or replacement. Moreover, the oil which we are collecting from the main tank, it should be through sampling valve. We can collect the oil from through the sampling valve of the main tank. So here we can see the pole mounted transformers. The mounting of distribution transformers can be done in two ways. One is the pole mounted distribution transformers, other are the foundation type transformers. In pole mounted distribution transformers, the condition of the poles and the beds can be visually inspected. The transformers which are rated above 100 kVA are the foundation type transformers. During their maintenance, the fencing of the foundation type transformers is visually inspected. It should be properly intact to avoid any climbing of any unauthorized person. Then is the measurement of earth resistance. Earth resistance is measured with the help of earth tester. The earthing of neutral is inspected here. The connection of the neutral wire and the earth electrode is inspected visually and tightened if required. The value of earth resistance is measured with the help of earth tester and its value should be under 10 ohms. Then is the checking of insulation resistance. Insulation resistance is checked between primary and the secondary winding, between primary and the earth, and between secondary and the earth. It is done with the help of insulation tester and the insulation resistance of the winding should be under prescribed value. Here we can note that the insulation resistance of the windings should be tested during its shutdown period. Here are some miscellaneous activities for the maintenance of distribution transformer, like the porcelain bushings of the primary and secondary side of the transformers should be cleaned from time to time. The distribution transformers should be painted on regular basis to avoid any rusting. During the shutdown of the transformer, the connections of the primary and secondary terminals should be tightened to avoid any sparking. Thank you.